Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Marino, your music teacher, and I'm creating a quick lesson on how to use your new activity. It's called a music choice board. So, when you go into your Google Classroom, click on your music class. Then, click the classwork tab. You'll see your new assignment under week of May 4th, 2020, and it's called a music choice board. Click on that. You can read the directions here, and then you can open up your assignment by clicking View Assignment. Here's the document, Music Choice Board 1 for May. Click on that to open it up. Here you see there are 4 different assignments and 5 categories. So if you like to sing, here are your singing assignments. If you just want to listen or watch a video, here are some assignments. If you like to move or dance, that's this category. If you want to learn how to play an instrument or make your own instrument, it's under the play category. And then explore is like fun websites for you to check out. Maybe they're games or just like learning about different musicians or music from around the world. So you have a lot of flexibility. Some of these activities are short and quick. They take like a couple of minutes to do. Others are much, much longer. Like this is a 1 hour yoga class with me, or maybe it's a full length concert. There are music choice boards for kids in grades 3 and 4 as well. So if you have siblings in your family and you all take a music class with me, you can do this together. I wanted to give you the most flexibility doing these things. You can do as many as you want. I'd like you to do at least one of these activities a week. But if you have a lot of time and you're very interested, you could do as many of these as you want. And the way to open up these assignments are by clicking the links. So let's say you want to learn about music from around the world. You can click on this link here, and it opens up a website. And here you can click on any of these. If you want to learn about jazz in New York City, you can learn about that and listen to Brianna sing Blue Skies. Or maybe you're not interested in that, and you want to maybe you love the game Forbidden Phrase like we did in music class. You can click on that, and then you will see a music class with me and play that game on YouTube. So there's a lot of choices here for you. And if you have an older sibling or a younger sibling, you can do this all together. What I'd like you to do after you do your activity, I'd like you to create a document and in this document, I'd just like you to tell me which assignment you did or which activity you did. Hello, Miss Marino. I played the Forbidden Phrase game with you. And then you can tell me how it was. It was too easy. Make it harder. Or I don't know. You can tell me however you liked it. And then make sure you put your name. If you want, You can add pictures of your work. You can make recordings of your work. You don't have to, but if you do, that's something special, and maybe we can display that and share it with your other teachers and things like that. Okay? So you can do as many of these as you want, as few of these as you want. I'd like you to do at least one. But look, there's so many things for you to check out. And I just want you to know I miss you all. I wish that we were together, but while we are apart, please enjoy all of these fun music activities. If you have any questions, please let me know. And take care for now. I really miss you all. Goodbye.